Magandang dilag, puso ko'y umabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Mawala mo lahat, sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano ba ang ginawa ko at pinaaaliw? Naanaw na para bang isang tala sa gitna ng karawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko'y umabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko'y nahalina.
Ay, ala! Happy ka, baby! Teka natin. Ilocano, Tagalog? Ilocano. O, open natin ko. Paki-open! Dito, open. 1, 2, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. May video na wala na picture. At meron ka rin. May chocolate. Yan. Tingin sa lahat sa mga letters na nangyari sa kung kanino galing ito. Ayan, ay hindi niya na matalo. Usad ka dito, Papa. Ayan. Siyempre, happy 80. Marami kang balon. Alam, kaya nga, usad ka dito, adik ko. Kaya marami pa dyan. Video, ay,
This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Do you know what it's like to feel so in the dark? To dream about life. You're the shining star. Even when it seems like it's so far away, I have to believe in myself. It's the only way. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. You're the voice I hear inside my head. The rhythm that I'm singing, I need to find you. I'm gotta find you. You're the missing piece. I need a song inside of me. I need to find you. I'm gonna find you. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Let you know. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Do about life. You're the shining star. Even though it seems like it's so far away, I have to believe in myself. It's the only way. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me.
Okay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Isa pa! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan! Wait! Bago mo i-blow yung candle mo, girl, aling Trisha, mag-wish ka muna. Okay. Isa pa. Ayan! Happy birthday, Trisha! Happy 18th birthday! So, bago ang lahat, meron tayong inihandang letter. Ito po ay galing sa employer ni Ma'am Mira. So, sobrang bait ng kanyang employer from Canada. Sila po si Ma'am and Sir Jude from Canada. So, babasahin ko ang letter ha mula sa kanila. When ito ay ginawa nilang letter para sa'yo. Tapos ito. Ayan, kita mo? Printed ko na lang kasi hindi pa. Alam mo na. Kasi amumot to nagatayo. Okay, ito ang letter na babasahin ko. Dear Trisha, happy 18th birthday. Though we've never met, we've heard so many wonderful stories about you. Your mother extremely proud of her smart, beautiful, and responsible daughter. We cannot wait to meet you. You're now an adult and a teenager. We wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by you and the perseverance to live life to the fullest. Have a wonderful birthday with love, Ann, Jude, Aaron, Amara, and AJ. Ayan. So, ito. A birthday wish for a beautiful day and a year full of happiness. Ito ang card na inihanda ng kanyang employer sa Canada. So, pakitago na lang gala. At wait, meron pa isa. Ayan, ayan po, ayan po, ayan po. Ayan. Pinaghandaan ko talaga. Ito sabi niya, Happy 18th birthday, Trisha May. Our dearest Trisha May, here is wishing you a blessed birthday. May God grant you success in your endeavors. May God bless you today, and may you continue to be the wonderful person you are. We love you, and we thank God for bringing you into our lives. You are our pride and the reason for our happiness. Happy 18th birthday. Mark, love, Papa, and Mama. Ayan, yan yung mga hinahanda nila sa'yo. Ha, ayan, mula pa nung bata. Ayan, oo. Oh, cute. Hanggang ngayon, cute pa rin. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, so, ano masasabi mo kay sa employer ng iyong mama? Sobrang bait. Inihanda ito para sa'yo, ading. Ang swerte ng iyong mama. Later, I will... wait! There's more! Sige, wala. Taguray lang. Okay. In English. Come on.
Thank you for your surprise, and I'm very thankful for you as my mother's employers because you are so good. Thank you.
What else? How about your mom? What can you say about your mom?
Thank you.
What else, girl? Come on! Come on! Okay. How about to your dad? What can you say about to your dad? Come on.
Thank you. God
copy paste.
My nose is already bleeding. Oh, English, ala. Okay, sir. Message for the, employer of Ate Mira. Okay.
Ang lang ako ang daringongong.
Sir, tayo lang to.
Copy paste aksamot tayo. To Mr. Jude and Ma'am Ann, thank you for your surprise. Trisha, surprise as much. From the bottom of our heart, thank you. And God bless.
How about si Mama? Asan si Mama? Mama, come on. What is your message to your loving
Hindi Trisha.
Trisha? Anong message mo po? Siyempre, in English.
Trisha.
Tayo lang to.
Happy birthday anak ko. Kasdi ko nak di rabi from top to bottom. Kilalang kilala kita. Pero sapay ko mga tatanga birthday. Wangarod. Madigayam no da video. Tatak ko mga nga panawon. Isuday jay. Mas nga agbalin ka nga responsible nga anak. Agbalin ka nga nagijay kailangan nga plantsaan nga ugali plantsaan nang runa nga itultuloy mo ti agserbi ka ni Apo Diyos kasi ni Apo Diyos na ang iti makaited iti paligi iso na lang ang iti mangited iti anyaman nga pangarap mo iti biyag iso nga iti amin nga aramidam amin nga desisyon mo ikonom ka ni Apo Diyos. Amok nga saan ka pulos nagkamali. We love you. Kanain kami adultoy ka ni Papa Dan, ni Kuya ka ni Ading Juniel. Kasi di ko nada di rabi don't worry nga agin now. Adulta ka no ni Kuya ka ni Papa Dan. Basta agadal ka. Yan. Love you.
Ano message mo kay Mama and Papa? Nga sa Canada, sa Ma'am Mira. Ano message mo ga? Yan. Ay, nag-cute. Yun lang, speechless. Ano message mo kay Mama?
Thank you.
Alam nyo na yun. Okay? Okay! In behalf of Edmonton's Flower Shop and Party Nets, thank you to Sir Jude and Ma'am Ann from Canada. So, thank you Ma'am Mira ha sa pag-choose sa akin dahil ako ang napili na magbigay ng surprise at maghatid, di ba? Ayan. Oh, kayo, yung mga employer niya, dapat gayahin niyo sila Philipneri family, di ba? In English. Thank you, sir. Bye! Video! Video! Sir,
Trisha,
ito pa ang second daddy ni
I want you to
Trisha.
know that we
Yan.
love you.
Balon na! Ang sakitan!
No matter what happened, we will always wash the dishes. For you. Just study hard. And thank you to Ma'am June and Ma'am Ann.
Opo.
And to Mira. Sir June.
Sir Jude.
Sir June, thank you. Ma'am Ann, thank you for the very, very wonderful, heartwarming surprise. Yeah. So, Trisha, we love you and huwag ka mag-alala. Kami ang maghuhugas ng pinggan. Thank you.
Hi Trisha! Surprise! Happy 18th birthday, my unika iha. I thank God for giving me a daughter like you. I'm so proud of you, anak ko. Having you in my life has been the greatest joy I have ever experienced. There are so many things I want for you. So many wishes for you are in my heart on your birthday. So let me just read it for you. I wish you the pride that comes with knowing where you're from and the peace that comes with knowing who you are. I wish you the strength to face challenges with confidence and the wisdom to choose your battles carefully. I wish you the satisfaction of seeing your goals achieved and the true contentment that is born of simple things. And my greatest wish is that you will always remember how much you are loved because you are a beautiful, unique person, one I am so proud to have for a daughter. And I wish only the best for you in life. May you always enjoy the love of family and friends. May you be blessed with health throughout your life. May you continue to enjoy new experiences with God, and may your walk with Him be closer than ever. Again, happy 18th birthday, anak ko. I miss you and I love you so much. Hope to see you and to be with you soon. Before I end my message, in behalf of my family, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my employers, Sir Jude, Ma'am Ann, and family, for surprising Trisha on her 18th birthday. We will treasure this moment forever, especially for Trisha. Thank you for your kindness and for your love, and thank you also, Ma'am Ann, for helping me in making the personalized birthday card for Trisha. Without your help, the card will not look nice. I really appreciate your effort, Mom. Thank you. Big thanks. And may God richly bless your family. And again, God bless us all. Again, happy birthday, Trisha May. I love you. God bless. Bye.
I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face, so afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. But I had this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know, to let you know. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Do you know what it's like to feel so in the dark? To dream about life, you're the shining star. Even though it seems like it's so far away, I have to believe in myself. It's the only way. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me.
Masaya!
Magandang dilag, puso ko'y humabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya ka langit ko. Magandang dilag, lahat mo lahat sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano ba ang ginawa ko? Pinaaaliw. Naanaw na para bang isang tala.
Rolly Mar Techno Remix.